First John 4:18. He who walks in fear hath no love, but perfect love casteth out fear. And everyone who is in fear hath torment. And he who hath fear does not have perfected love. Your life now experience perfected love in the name of Jesus Christ. May God, because of this love, perfect your relationship with your wife. Perfect mutual understanding in your organization, in your company, amongst your workers, wheresoever you are working as a staff. In the name of Jesus Christ, may this perfect love of God take over the atmosphere of your family, atmosphere of your nation, and cause the presence of God to be made perfect in that nation. In the name of Jesus Christ, everything not of Him, wickedness, everything not of God is taken off your nation, is taken off your world. In the name of Jesus Christ, experience perfected love of God this day. Your life, you are filled with it. Out of the bowels of you will see love springing forth. In your name, everyone now begins to carry this perfected love of God. Your relationship with God is being made perfect.